is the strategic advantage of upgrading to S4HANA now, especially if their business has changed a lot through acquisition or change in business processes?
Yeah, I mean, I think that's kind of the crux of the issue is that most of these companies, their business has changed, right? They might have gone into this 10 years ago with a growth mindset. The platform has met the needs, but what it has also done is hampered their growth at this point. So you're kind of at, the usual life of an ERP system is 10 years. You're kind of at that point. And you should evaluate what your business model is and how it's changed. I can guarantee you most of those companies, their business model has changed. And so as a result, you need to look at kind of, are the processes that you have in place really efficient? Are they as they were designed 10 years ago? Most likely they're not, and they're probably not being used the way that you think they're being used. And so, as you go through this is an opportunity to really look at moving more to the standard process that S4 might have available that wasn't available 10 years ago. So that's kind of one thing companies should be considering. And then also kind of what's the strategic, growth platform for that company, right? Is it organic, inorganic? Does that change your business model? Is the platform you set up 10 years ago really set for what it needs to be for the next 10 years? And that's the way that companies really need to be looking at this, as opposed to carrying forward a system that was built 10 years ago. Your process and your business have changed.